Hi there, first graders. It's Mrs. Davis here with your Patterns of Power grammar lesson for today, Wednesday, April 7th. This week we are continuing to look at superlative adjectives. Remember our goal, I compare 3 or more things using EST or most, never both. So this week we are using those superlative adjectives to compare 3 or more things, just like our 3 dogs here. We have one dog who's the small dog, the smaller dog, comparative, and then the smallest dog. Notice we have that EST, smallest, ending. Yesterday we talked about when to use that ending of EST. Today we're going to take a look at another time when we use most instead. Let's compare these sentences. There are many kinds of large snakes, but the anaconda is the biggest. There are many kinds of moms, but mine is the most thoughtful. Aw. Did you notice we didn't say thoughtfulest, right? Just like when we were talking about comparative endings, that ER, if our syllables are 2 or more, we're going to use most before the adjective. For biggest, that is a 1-syllable, big, because it's a CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant. We talked about doubling that final consonant before adding our EST ending. Let's take a look at some more examples. Today we will learn when to use most to compare adjectives instead of EST. If an adjective is 2 or more syllables, then we don't use EST. We put most before the adjective to compare. So most thoughtful, not thoughtfulest. Here are some examples. Helpful. Helpful is 2 syllables. Helpful. So we would say most helpful. That friend was the most helpful. Responsible. Ooh, ready? Responsible. 4 syllables. We would say most responsible when we compare. That student is the most responsible in the class. Determined. Ooh, ready? Determined. 3 syllables. We would say most determined. That friend is the most determined to succeed. And last we have delightful. Ready? Delightful. Ooh, another 3-syllable. Most delightful. That day was the most delightful of the week. So what should we do to fix this adjective in my sentence? The cheetah is the fast land mammal. If I want to compare cheetahs to other land mammals, I wouldn't just say fast, right? What ending would I use? EST ending? IEST? Ooh. Or most before the adjective fast. When I think about fast, I know it doesn't end in a Y, so I'm not going to change the Y to an I before adding EST because there is no Y. When I think about the word fast, how many syllables? Fast. That's just 1 syllable, so we don't need most before. That sounds like an adjective we can add EST ending. The cheetah is the fastest land mammal. Just our plain old EST ending. All right, let's take a look at another sentence. The kids are happy at recess time. But I want to compare how the kids are compared to other times too. So, well, look at that adjective happy. Happy. That sounds like there's a Y at the end. Remember what to do to the Y? We've got to change it. Change the Y to an I, then add EST. The kids are happiest at recess time. We're going to compare it to other times. All right, here's my next sentence. This book is the exciting one that I have ever read. Exciting. Well, it doesn't end in a Y. Let me count some syllables. Exciting. Exciting. 3 syllables. Do you remember what to do? We're going to use most before the adjective. So this book is the most exciting one that I have ever read. Ooh, doesn't that sound fun? All right, great job today, writers. Remember to add EST. Oh, there it is. For our 1-syllable adjectives, when you compare 2 or more things, and add most before if the adjective is 2 or more syllables. Remember our goal this week? I compare 3 or more things using EST or most, never both. All right, friends, I'll see you all tomorrow.